Welcome to my channel.
PitchKickstart for ChatGPT boosts sales with AI. Powered scripts introduction. Discover the revolutionary script transforming app. PitchKickstart for ChatGPT. Unleash the power of AI with PitchKickstart for ChatGPT. Craft persuasive sales scripts that boost conversions. Get started now about the product. PitchKickstart for ChatGPT is the ultimate app that unleashes the full power of AI. Amplified persuasive sales scripts. Say goodbye to struggling with lackluster sales pitches and hello to skyrocketing conversion rates. This cutting-edge tool transforms ChatGPT into a world-class copywriter, equipped with expert AI seeds and frameworks. No more worries about outdated software, as free updates keep you at the forefront of the copywriting game. About vendor/author. PitchKickstart for ChatGPT is brought to you by a seasoned entrepreneur and marketing expert with decades of experience in the field. Having faced the struggles of crafting compelling sales scripts, he envisioned an app that would revolutionize the copywriting process for entrepreneurs, marketers, and business owners. With an unwavering passion for helping others succeed, the vendor developed this game-changing app to make your sales script sizzle. What are the features? AI-powered frameworks and seeds. PitchKickstart empowers ChatGPT to generate quirky, persuasive, and off-the-wall sales scripts that captivate your audience and drive conversions. Unlimited usage rights with AI. You have the freedom to generate a virtually unlimited number of sales scripts to meet your specific needs and goals. Access from anywhere. As a cloud-based software, PitchKickstart allows you to work from any device, providing convenience and flexibility for your busy schedule. Commercial license included. Not only can you transform your own business, but you can also sell your scripts to others, opening up exciting income opportunities. Step-by-step training. Easy to follow tutorials guide you through the process, ensuring you make the most of this powerful tool. Fast and AMP-friendly support. The dedicated support team is always ready to assist you, making your experience with PitchKickstart a seamless one. Free updates. Stay ahead of the competition with regular free updates that keep your copywriting game fresh and effective. What can be done with this product? PitchKickstart for ChatGPT is your ticket to crafting persuasive sales scripts for any product or service. Whether you're selling digital or physical products, promoting a webinar, or even giving away freebies to generate leads, this app has got you covered. Unlock the magic of AI-powered sales scripts that cater to various niches and industries. Who is this product perfect for? PitchKickstart for ChatGPT is a must-have tool for freelancers seeking to offer top-notch copywriting services to clients, agencies looking to level up their sales scripts and boost conversion rates, entrepreneurs striving to create compelling content that sells their products effectively, affiliate marketers seeking to write persuasive scripts to promote affiliate offers, coaches and consultants aiming to enhance their sales pitches and attract more clients, YouTubers, TikTokers, and Instagrammers needing captivating scripts for their videos. How to make money with this product? With PitchKickstart for ChatGPT and its commercial license, you can make money in various ways. Offer copywriting services and charge premium fees for crafting sales scripts for clients. Sell pre-written sales scripts to businesses and entrepreneurs who need persuasive content. Use the app to generate engaging scripts for your marketing videos and boost affiliate sales. Monetize your YouTube channel or social media by creating attention-grabbing video scripts. Partner with other content creators and offer your copywriting expertise for joint ventures. What bonus will you get? By grabbing PitchKickstart for ChatGPT now, you'll receive incredible bonuses. 1. ChatGPT YouTube Summarizer app. Access summaries of YouTube videos effortlessly. 2. ChatGPT Traffic Siphon Genie. Learn how to siphon free traffic to your website using AI. 3. ChatGPT Prompt Seed Vault. Gain access to 2,880 rewritable input sentences in profitable niches. 4. ChatGPT YouTube Title Master. Utilize top Ranking YouTube title prompts for engaging content. 5. Mind-blowing act as ChatGPT prompts. Discover secret prompts for sparking AI conversations. 6. The 7 AI businesses to start with ChatGPT. Explore innovative AI-powered business ideas. 7. 6 fundamental rules to write YouTube scripts with ChatGPT. Master YouTube script writing. How many days money back guarantee? We stand behind PitchKickstart for ChatGPT with a 30-day money back guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied with the product, simply contact us within 30 days of purchase, and we'll refund your entire investment. Frequently asked questions. 1. Do I need to install PitchKickstart on my computer? No. PitchKickstart is a cloud-based software, eliminating the need for installation. 2. Are updates included in the price? Yes. All PitchKickstart updates are free for the duration of your license. 3. Is there a monthly fee? Not for those who act now. Grab PitchKickstart at the current one-time price and be grandfathered into future updates without additional costs. 4. How can I access support? For any support inquiries, visit pitchkickstart.com/support for fast and friendly assistance. Final opinion. PitchKickstart for ChatGPT is the game-changing tool you need to revolutionize your copywriting. Say goodbye to bland sales scripts and hello to persuasive, captivating content that drives sales. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or content creator, PitchKickstart empowers you to reach new heights in your marketing efforts. With the 30-day money-back guarantee and an array of valuable bonuses, there's no reason to hesitate. Grab PitchKickstart for ChatGPT now and unlock the full potential of AI-amplified copywriting.